Today, I'm sharing exactly how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and monetized my channel. If you're struggling to grow or feel like giving up, this one is for you. Hello guys, my name is Calista. If you're new here, this channel is all about YouTube monetization, YouTube growth, and making money online. So sit back and enjoy this video. I remember posting one video like that and I was getting 5 views. One video is from me, one from my husband's phone, one from my television, one from my son's tablet. I don't know who was the 5th one anyway. It was depressing. I wanted to quit. I felt like quitting, but I could not. So if you feel like this YouTube thing is not for you, I promise you, keep watching. I'm going to break this thing down step by step, how you are going to understand it, and I promise it will help you. Do you wonder why I even started this YouTube channel? See, there is something they call passion, something you have passion for. If you don't have passion for something, I don't think you're going to go far with that thing. This my YouTube channel, I started it in the year 2020 during the time of COVID when we were on lockdown. We were not doing anything, and I'm not that kind of person that like staying idle. I don't like idleness. So because of that lockdown, people were at home doing nothing, including me. Although my husband was going to work, then I didn't have any child, so I would be at home doing nothing. So one day I was watching television and I stumbled on one video that was teaching how to create a YouTube channel. As I was watching the television, I was using my phone to create my own channel. I was creating my own channel. So after creating, I was like, okay, what are you going to post? So I used to see people post their cooking, whatever. So whenever I cook anything, I would just record it and post. Like that, I was gaining small followers. But because that time I didn't do it out of passion. I did it because I'm not doing anything. I'm just idle. Let me just do it. So I was not consistent. I would just post today. I would be like, okay, I cook today, I will post tomorrow. It's not every day that you cook. It's not every day that you cook fresh food. Sometimes you just bring out food from the freezer and warm. So I was just doing it like that until I got pregnant. I left everything. But after I got pregnant, then I'm on Omugo. Obviously I cannot work, so I continued with the content again. I was posting, what was I posting again? Okay, fashion. And I deleted all the cooking videos. I started posting another thing. I was not consistent. The channel was not doing well at all. It was not doing well. So along the line, I stopped again because of work. After I had my baby, I started work. I stopped again. Then later I started again. This time around, I was serious about it, and that was when I opened another channel where I was teaching how to make money online, how to drop ship. Then including this channel, I started posting about mukbang. This channel, but now I want to change everything on this channel. I don't want to do mukbang again. That was why I'm posting this one now. So I will delete them one after the other, not immediately, so that YouTube will not demonetize me. Yeah. So that was how I created another channel. I started building it within a twinkle of an eye because of the consistency, because of the passion I have that time. I started that new one. Everything blew up. Subscribers are coming. My watch hour, I made a video how I was able to gather my 4,000 watch hours very fast. So everything was just like this. Everything is as if God just picked my call. Hey God. So that was how I was able to gather everything, how I was able to pick up from where I stopped after deleting like how many videos from my channel. So while all these things were going on, I noticed that my channel is not doing well. So I thought about some strategies that will help my channel to grow, and the first thing that came to my mind was to niche down. Yeah, that was the first strategy I used. I started focusing on one thing. That was when I noticed I cannot talk about everything at the same time. So I focused on YouTube monetization, YouTube growth, and side hustle, as in everybody wants to make money. Topics like this, people are searching for it because everybody wants to make money. So I created a searchable content too. Instead of a random videos, I use tools like TubeBuddy and YouTube search to find what people are typing. Yeah, it really helped me. It helped me a lot. That is, typing some titles like how to make your first $100 online. It really helped. So I posted consistently. That's another strategy I use. Consistently in the sense that I will post today, I will not post tomorrow, I will post next tomorrow, I will not post the day after. So consistency depends on you. It depends on what you call consistent. Some people take their consistency as posting on at 12 p.m. today, 12 p.m. next tomorrow, 12 p.m. If that one will work for you, just do what work for you and what work for your channel. My own, I post today, I will leave tomorrow, I'll post. That's my own consistency. Unless if there is anything that will make me not to make any video that I will post, yeah, I can choose to put maybe remix short video. Yeah. So the next thing that really helped me was how optimizing my thumbnail, as in optimizing my videos, so to say. Whenever I post my videos, I like to optimize it. I like to do some touches before I post my videos. I don't post immediately, I schedule. So example like thumbnail. You see, thumbnail is the first thing that someone will see before clicking on your videos. If that thumbnail is not satisfying, that person is going to click away, move away. So thumbnail is very important for your YouTube channel to grow. Another thing is hook. You know, all these videos that you'll be watching, some text will pop up, or you hear some noise, boom, or some people that will hold their microphone with toothbrush, or hold them. All of those things, they are hook. Those things will attract people. Even when if someone wants to pass and see that, it will be like, what is this girl up to? You wait and watch that video. So hooks attract viewers and they will keep them glued to your channel. It really helped me. So another thing that really helped me was using shorter intros. Longer intros, it doesn't help. Nobody wants to burn their data where they are watching you doing, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, nobody is ready for that these days. Sometimes I will go to other YouTubers, all these big YouTubers, I will see what they are doing, I will copy from there. Copying is allowed. It depends on the copying you're doing. My own, I will just watch and see what they are doing that works for them. I will apply it on my own channel, and it has been helping me all this while. So another thing is engaging with your audience. Whenever they drop comments, try to reply. So that they will feel the interaction. Tomorrow they will reply. If they drop a comment and you just watch and pass, tomorrow that person will just feel tired of dropping comments. So try to engage with your audience. It really helps. So once I crossed that 500 subscribers, more than 500 subscribers, I noticed that YouTube started recommending my videos. Hey God, subscribers kept coming. And that time I remembered I did, like in my last video, I made mention of how I got my 4,000 watch hour. While those hours were coming, subscribers were coming too, through the live stream I did. So subscribers, they are never your problem. It is watch hour that is the problem here. Yeah. So when YouTube started recommending my videos, my subscribers, my watch hours started growing. So when I finally got all the requirements, the 4,000 watch hour, the 1,000 subscribers, I applied. Then after some weeks, YouTube sent me a message that, okay, the day I applied, I got accepted, I think. If not that day, the next day I got accepted. So after 2 weeks, I got my pin from AdSense. I was like, who got that? The money they sweet, oh. YouTube money they sweet. Hi, God. I was like, is this what I've been missing online? My sister, my brother, hustle. So this is how I was able to gather my first 1,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Guys, if I can do it, you can do it. Honestly, if I can be able to do it, you can do it. Just focus on adding value. Focus on consistency. Focus on all these hints that I gave you. YouTube is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Many people are here to hustle. It is not only your video that YouTube is recommending. So you have to put in that effort. Put in that effort so that your video will be among the videos that YouTube will recommend. So if you find this video interesting, please do me well to click on the subscribe button if today is the first day you're coming across this channel. And for my old and returning subscribers, we've been here. Kudos to you guys, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.